Bunq positions itself as a fresh alternative in the digital banking space, promising a seamless banking experience right from your smartphone. But does it really deliver on that promise, or is it just another flashy app with empty claims? Let's dive in. Bunq is a digital bank that offers a range of services designed to simplify your financial life. From setting up multiple sub-accounts to offering instant notifications for every transaction, it aims to give you more control over your money. The app is sleek and user-friendly, catering mainly to tech-savvy individuals who appreciate a modern banking solution. One standout feature is the ability to create unique bank accounts for different purposes, making budgeting a breeze. Want to save for a vacation? Just create a sub-account, set your goal, and watch your savings grow. However, the interface is appealing. There are some areas that feel a bit vague. For instance, the fee structure isn't as transparent as it could be, leaving potential users with questions about what they might actually pay for certain services. Overall, Bunq seems tailored for those who want flexibility and control, but it's not immediately clear how it compares to traditional banks in terms of fees and customer support. Now, let's break down the pros and cons of using Bunq. On the positive side, the app's design is intuitive, making it easy to navigate for users of all ages. The ability to create multiple accounts and set savings goals is a massive plus. However, some users might find the lack of physical branches a drawback if they prefer in-person banking. On the flip side, the fee structure can be a bit confusing, especially for those accustomed to traditional banks with straightforward pricing. Additionally, while Bunq markets itself as a digital solution, some users have expressed concerns over customer service response times, particularly when issues arise. So, while Bunq excels in flexibility and modern features, those looking for transparent pricing and robust customer support might want to think twice. In conclusion, Bunq is a solid choice for tech-savvy individuals seeking a flexible digital banking experience. However, if you need clear pricing and reliable customer support, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it's worth trying out if you're comfortable with digital banking and want to simplify your financial management.